So welcome back, dear students. Once again, welcome to PSBI Board of Intermediate Education, our virtual session, and hoping you all have done the assignment which I gave you in the last class. That was on the straight line method. Now, we are going to do the third model, and the model is preparation of asset account under diminishing balance method. That is the last method. And after this, we are going to do the sale of asset. So, diminishing balance method. Just let me take you back to the economics. In first year economics, we have studied law of diminishing marginal utility. What we studied, the law of diminishing marginal utility, we studied that as we consume more and more, the additional units will give you lesser satisfaction. That is, your satisfaction level will increase. The similar manner, as we use the asset, the value of asset is decreasing. So accordingly, even the amount of depreciation should decrease. So what is this method? This method, called diminishing balance method, is a method where we charge depreciation at a fixed rate on reducing balance every year. In the previous session, I have done the working notes showing you WDV, written down value. So every year we'll calculate separate depreciation. So since this method is, why it is called reducing balance method? Because we calculate depreciation on the reducing balance of the asset, and moreover the amount of depreciation is also decreasing. And since we calculate on the written down value, we call it as written down value method also. Now, what are the advantages of this method? Again, 2 marks point of view, this question is important. What do you mean by diminishing balance method? So, merits, if we see, there is same weightage on what's a profit and loss account for depreciation and repair expense. The sense we give same weightage. Same weightage in the sense the rate of depreciation is same and amount of depreciation is according to what? It is according to written down value. If the value is 9,000, depreciation will be 900. 8,000, 800. Like that, accordingly we are charging depreciation. And practically it is more easy. Every time we'll calculate depreciation. And whenever we add asset, I have shown you in the last problem also. So depreciation becomes easy. And if you recollect the first chapter, where the first session I told you that according to the legal provisions, depreciation is must. So this method is accepted by Income Tax Act also. And under which section? Better, section 32 of income tax. Keep in mind. Then demerits. What are the demerits? The asset value will never become zero. It will continue. Okay, 810, 790, like that it will come, but there won't be any zero value. Apart from that, determining the rate of depreciation, that is proper rate of depreciation, is difficult. And there is no provision of interest on capital. We cannot make any provision of interest on capital for the use of asset. Now we'll solve the problem. Okay, we are going to do the problems now. So let us come to the problems. Same rules, what I taught you in the fixed installment method, we are going to follow. But only difference is what? Only difference is that every year on the written down value will calculate depreciation. Every year on the written down will calculate depreciation. So let us see the problems now. So dear students, as I said, we are going to solve the problems. The same 3 problems what we did in the straight line method, those same pattern problems we are going to do under diminishing balance method. Now if you see on the board, we have the problem. When we bought the machine, 1st April. For how much we bought? 70,000. How much is the, which method of depreciation? Diminishing balance method. Rate is 10%. So as it is, you know, what will happen in diminishing balance method? In diminishing balance method, the amount of depreciation will change. So as it is, we are going to solve the problem. Solution. Again, account as it is. Then draft the account. Always, the last class I told you the technique. Draw the line, fold the page. Becomes into two equal parts. Keep the scale and draw the vertical thick line that segregates into debit and credit. Date column, particulars column, date column, particulars column. Solving the problem should be in a creative manner. Anyone can do the problem, but doing the problem should be for solution, not for creating the problem. Please do keep in mind. So here the structure is ready. What happened? Sir has missed something, and that is working note, which is very important. So working notes also will draw. And what is the rule now? Rule is the working notes will be in the page of the solution only. Okay. Now posting. When we bought 1st April, what is the date? 2016. So to cash or bank, whatever, for 70,000. 70,000. Come and write. Here, be careful that we are mentioning the dates separately. So depreciation for which year? Accounting year 16 to 17. Please mention the year. How much? 70,000 into 10%. 10 by 100 cancelled. I got 7,000. Immediately go to second hand. That is your right hand side. Cost 70,000. Depreciation 7,000. Written down 63,000. Written down value. Come and post. 31st March 2017 by depreciation. How much? 7,000. By balance carried down. That is the written down value worth 63,000. And the account is balanced with 70,000. So account is balanced with 70,000. Bring down the balance. 1st April 2017. To balance brought down 63,000. Which method? Written down value method. What is the written down value? 63. What is the reduced value? 63. What is the decreased value? 63. So on this 63, calculate again depreciation. So what am I supposed to write here? I'll write depreciation for which year? 17 to 18. 63,000 into 10%. Cancel the zeros. If I cancel, I got 6,000. Subtract and get the written down value and be ready. At a time, we'll do the posting. 0, 0. 10 minus 3, 7. Here, 2 is left, borrowed. 12 minus 6, 6. And 5. This is written down value. So, 31st March 2008. By depreciation. So, 6,100. Again, carry down the balance. By balance carried down 56,700. Close the account with 63,000 both the sides. Now, 1st April 2018. Bring down the balance. So, balance we brought 56,700. 31/3/2019. So again, I'll calculate depreciation. 3 years. 18 to 19. What is the written down value? 56,700. 10%. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled. 5,670. So subtract depreciation. 5,670. Please maintain the dignity of decimals. Okay, 56,700, 56,700. Today I am using little bit of Telugu also and Hindi. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు జనరల్ గా 56,700 ప్లేస్ లో 5,670 రాయ బదులు ఏం చేస్తారు? You will write from 5670. आप लोग क्या करते हो? 5670 को बराबर डेसिमल से नहीं लिखते हो तो आपको यूनिट्स, टेंस, हंड्रेड के प्लेसेस से करना है। तो 0, 10 minus 7 3, यहाँ पे 6, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 5 1 and 5. This is written down value. 51,030 is what's the written down value? 51,030. Okay. So by depreciation, how much I'll write? I'll write 5,670. Balance. How much is the balance? Balance is 51,030. Written down value I got of 3 years. I'll leave the answer in which year? 4th year. So come to 4th year, 1st April 2019. To balance brought down 51,030. Here again I'm explaining. We bought for 70,000. Same depreciation balance will be same. Only the amount of depreciation is changing. First year we calculated on 60,000. Next year we calculated on 63,000. Then we calculated on 56,700. Then next, if you want, we'll calculate on 51,030. Like that, every year depreciation amount will be decreasing, decreasing, and decreasing. This working will be the guiding tool for you. If you do here and there, again I'm telling you, there will be lot of confusion. So better adopt this method. Half page solution, half page working. When your paper is being evaluated by examiner, what the examiner will think, oh बाबू गानी अम्माई गानी तेलवी गलवालू. ओके, वो लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि तुम लोगों को सब्जेक्ट आता. नहीं तो क्या होता है एग्जाम में जनरली पेज पीछे वर्किंग करेंगे, पेज क्लोज करेंगे, ओपन करेंगे, उसमें कंफ्यूजन आता है. इसके लिए बेटा हमको ऐसे वर्किंग करना है. ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में बताऊंगा 2 मशीन से. आई एम गोइंग टू शो विद 2 मशीन. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? वेरी गुड. So here is a question on diminishing balance method. On 1st April 2014, purchased machine costing how much? 10,000. And on 1st April 2016, we bought additional machine for 15,000. So how many machines again? 2 machines are there. And the firm is adopting which method? Reducing balance method. So the account for how many years? 3 years. And how much is rate of depreciation? 10%. Which method? Diminishing balance method. As it is, we are going to solve the problem. Same again, solution. So asset account. As it is, we'll draft the asset account. Again, here's they told, oh, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. And here, working. Since we have 2 assets, as I told you, we'll maintain 2 columns. So, machine account. Machine account. Debit, credit. What is the date column? Here, particulars column, amount column. Again, date column, particulars column, amount column. When did we purchase asset? We purchased on 1st April. So posting asset account debit to cash account. So to cash or bank, whatever, worth rupees 10,000. So 10,000. I'll come to working notes and write here depreciation for 2014 to 15. Why? Because here the amount of depreciation will change every year. Will change every year. So we are going to write the depreciation separately for each year. So account and the working. So let us see on the working. So here I am writing depreciation for year 14 to 15. How much is the amount? 10,000. How much percent? 15%. Rate of depreciation is 10%. So 10 by 100. If I cancel, it comes to 1000 rupees. Don't write per annum because amount of depreciation will change every year. So 31st March 2014, as it is, we'll write by depreciation. How much? 1000. So machine number 1 cost 10,000. Depreciation 1,000. The important concept, written down value. How much is written down value? 9,000. Written down value is 9,000. So here by balance carried down 9,000. Close the account with 10,000. 10,000. Bring down the balance. 1st April 2015. 1st April 2015. To balance brought down 9,000. Now focus on the subject. Since it is reducing balance method, again I'll calculate depreciation. Depreciation for what I wrote? 15 to 16. Separate depreciation. What is the written down value? 9,000. So on this 9,000, I'll calculate 10%. If I calculate 10%, it comes to 900. What does it mean? Along with the change in the value of asset, amount of depreciation is also changing, reducing, decreasing, diminishing. So again, depreciation 900. Written down value is how much? 8,100. Go and post it. 31st March 2000. By depreciation 900. By balance carried down 8,100 and close the account. If we close the account, gets tallied with 9,000. Bring down the balance. 1st April 2016. To balance brought down 8,100. Did we do anything in year 2016? Yes. What we did in 2016? The question, if we see that we bought one more machine for how much? 15,000. So I'll add it. Again, 1st April 2006. What will I write? I'll write 2 cash and brackets I'll write 2. 15,000. So how many machines I have now? 2 machines. First is 8,100 and new one is of 15,000. So 2 depreciations I will calculate. So here depreciation for 16 and 17. First I'll write machine number 1. 8,100 into 10%. Cancel the zeros. 810 we get. Then machine number 2. 15,000. How much percent? 10%. It comes to 1,500. 1,500 is the depreciation. So now here I'll post depreciation of 2 machines. So first I'll write here 15,000. Now depreciation. How much? 810. Here 1,500. Be careful with the calculation. 0. Borrowed 1. 10 minus 1. 9. So 0. 80 minus 8. 72. This is the written down value. And second machine again 13,500. Now we are going to post it. 31st March 2017 by depreciation. Again machine 1, machine 1 810, machine 2 1,500. Close the account. By balance carried down. Machine 1, machine 2. What is the written down value of machine 1? 7,290. And here 13,500. Do the total. We close 18,523. Sorry, 15 plus 8, 23. 23,100. 23,100. Bring down the balance. 1st April 2017. To balance brought down. Machine 1, machine. What is machine 1 value? 7,290. 13,500. Like that, we got two machines answer. Okay, again you can see 2 cash 10,000, by depreciation 1,000, by balance carried down 9,000. Next year on this 9,000 I'll calculate depreciation. How much? 900. Here we have done the calculation. Like that again the value became 8,100. On that we calculated 810. Is it clear? You can have a Q on the solution. This is called reducing balance method, diminishing balance method with two machines. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to give you few assignments even in this method. Even in this method, we are going to do few assignments. So let us come to the assignments now. As I said you, I'll give you the worksheet. After teaching you the two problems of diminishing balance method, one can practice the problems which I gave you in the straight line method. You can convert them into diminishing method and practice. So here is the worksheet for you all dear. Okay, the first 2 marks question what you can expect is, what do you mean by reducing balance method? Reducing balance method. How the question can be twisted now? Instead of asking you reducing balance method, they will ask you to write about diminishing balance method, or they may say that it is nothing but the written down value method. So you can answer. What you will write? According to this method, the amount of depreciation will change every year. Already it's there in the presentation that you can see. Then the 3 practical questions I gave. One with the 1st April, you can see 1st April, 50,000 cost, 10% depreciation. Second question I gave 30th September. What we'll do? We'll make it as 1st October. And third question as usual again 1st October 2008 with addition of machine. So these are the 3 assignments questions, that is practical questions, and one the theory question which you have to revise. Okay, now coming towards the conclusion of this session. Okay, I would like to conclude with the version of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. What Nelson Mandela told? Let us see what he told. Nelson Mandela, he told that education is a weapon. What he told? Education is a weapon, and that weapon, how it is useful, how it brings, then it is always good that this weapon called solving the problems must be used. Keeping that in mind, I have taken the slogan of Nelson Mandela. What he told? He told education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And because of that, we see today that even in the pandemic, we are able to have the classes. Imagine if there was no education, say there was no education as a weapon. Do you think we were having this kind of facility? No. Like that, Abdul Kalam, if you see, was reading and learning under the lights, and we are graceful. I can say we are blessed that we are having the virtual classes. So next session will be the last session of this chapter called Depri. So once again, I thank you all for listening me patiently. Hope you all are enjoying my lectures and you are solving the problems. If you have any doubt, you have the textbook with you, which is again a powerful weapon. Go through that powerful weapon of your textbook and try to solve more and more problems. Because I say and I believe that what one cannot do, two can do, and what two cannot do, together we can do. So when you are not able to solve the problem, you can take help of your teachers. When your teacher and you are not able to solve, or when you are not able to do, take the help of the textbook. So together we can do the miracles. So again, have a nice day. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you all for listening me patiently. We'll meet in the last session of the depreciation where I'll teach you about sale of asset. But dear students, kindly cooperate in doing the assignments. Okay? Thank you. God bless you all.